Hey, what is going on, guys? Cubbyhole Productions and the Crypto Monkey in the house once again with your market on the daily. Guys, over the past 24 hours, the market has dropped significantly and is showing a lot of bearish signs. Let's dive right in to take a closer look, see what is going on. So here we are, guys, looking at the top 100 cryptocurrencies by market cap. The market cap is sitting at $258.7 billion, with Bitcoin dominance at 45.1%. Guys, almost every alt is in the red for the most part, with a few exceptions. The Z coin, that was a mistake. That was like a $10 million pump, and if you have that coin, go ahead and get out because that's not going to stay like that. But these coins right here in the top green, they have adjusted to this new lower Bitcoin price already, which is, I guess, a good thing for any of the alt holders. Let's dive into the Bitcoin and see what's going on the charts. So, when I say there's bearish signs, this is the bearish signs that I am seeing. I've been saying it for almost since I started doing these videos that we are going to hit a $6,000 base before we go upwards. So, as you can see right here, we have formed a descending triangle, which usually means that once we reach this apex, we are going to descend even further. And some are scared that we're just going to bottom out, but I don't believe that. I believe we will just descend through that and possibly bounce off this 58-5900 zone, and then we will be on the right track. But guys, this market has slowed down a lot and is looking very bearish. The market cap has dropped, and yes, it can change very quickly, but we are going to need some very good news. We're going to need something pretty big to happen, pretty substantial to happen in the crypto market for us to really change the direction of this market. Otherwise, we will be stuck doing what we did a few years ago, just moving horizontally and not really getting anywhere. So we definitely do not want that, but it's definitely a scenario that could possibly arise. So what we are seeing here is very bearish. The MACD is below zero. It's at about negative 150 something. RSI is low and pointing down. We've tried busting through this upper resistance a few times on the way down, and the bulls have failed. The bears have pushed back, and I'm going to zoom in a little more, and y'all can see right now for the past few days, this is the daily chart. The past few days we have been bouncing off of this support around 6,800, and it's just a matter of time, in my opinion, that we break through that and we come down to this area, 58, 5,900, and then bounce back up. Now, how high are we going to bounce back up? Who knows? And if we happen to fall through this lower support, then guys, we are looking at prices around 46 to 4,300 would be the next low for Bitcoin. But we will not focus on that again, as I am still standing by what I have said from the beginning, that we will follow this descending support and this descending channel all the way down till 6,000, and that would be a double bottom. And many people could say, well, wouldn't that be the bottom of the descending triangle then? Meaning that we would break out even further. So this is what people would say. If you play the candle wick right here, people are going to say, well, this is the descending triangle, so we're really not going to fall through until after we hit 5,900. If you want to believe that, that's all you, but guys, that is 1 weak point of support. We need multiple lines of support for it to be a confirmation descending triangle support line, which right here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and back here 8, 9, who knows how many points of support we have. So that is why this is declared the descending triangle support line rather than the 5,800. So guys, yes, we could bounce around, we could go back up to this, test this resistance again. We could break out of it, but that's most likely not going to happen. Guys, it's going to be a waiting game. It could be 2 months, it could be 3 months, it could be 2 years of us just moving at this horizontal pace. I want to dive in to this market cap to show you kind of what we're looking at. Okay, so guys, we went on this huge run right here. Bitcoin just does not know what to do with itself. Basically, there's a lot of investors out there that are losing confidence in this market, and there's a lot of people out there losing confidence in this market. There's not a lot of new buyers because all they hear is the bad news, and they're looking at Bitcoin. Well, it's $6,700. It's just all bad news. So there are not any new buyers. So right here, guys, this is back in October of 2014. We were at about 1.6, 1.5 billion, and we shot up to about 16 billion. So that's almost 15 times gain in 2 months right there. That's what I mean. Like, it can, in a very short time, it can just 15x market. So imagine if we did a smaller denomination, like a 5x. What if we do a 5x market? Guys, then we're sitting at over $1 trillion market. So things can fluctuate very quickly. Let's look at where we're at right now. Right here, we reached up. Like I said, over 800 billion was the market cap, and now we're sitting at 257 billion. It's not looking good. It's looking bearish, and I know we've been looking for $1 trillion market cap, but in all reality, I don't know if we're actually going to hit $1 trillion. Again, it's the crypto market. It could change, but I think we will be closer to maybe 700, 800 billion by the end of this year. If we're lucky, we may ride around 250 to 300 billion for the next 3 years. So it's really a waiting game to see what's going to happen. By all means, I hope that is not the case, because there's going to be a lot of people that have lost a lot on their investment and are just sitting waiting for it to go up. So hopefully that's not the case, guys. I'm just explaining any possible outcomes so there aren't really any huge surprises along the way, which it's like I keep saying, the crypto market, there's going to be huge surprises along the way. So yeah, guys, that's about all I really wanted to talk about today. The trade alerts, I've had them come in. Bitcoin has plummeted, so I've laid back on the trade alerts, and I'm holding my coins. I'm not doing any trades. I'll still see if there are trades out there for you guys, which I'm sure there are. And if there are, I will keep them coming to you. So whenever I go live, guys, know that I'm bringing you a trade alert. So that is all I've got for you today, guys. If you have not yet, make sure you're subscribed to this channel and have your alerts turned on, so every time I drop a video or go live, you get the notification. Also, feel free to give me any comments, questions, recommendations down below. Hit that thumbs up if you liked any of the content or agree with any of the content that I have shown you in this video. There are links down in the description. One for cryptocurrency. If you have not bought crypto yet, it's not a bad time to buy crypto, even though the market may fall some more. Everything's really cheap, and we're probably going to see cheaper prices actually. So the link to buy crypto is down there. The link to the Binance exchange is down there. There is a link to the trading cheat sheet down there. Again, guys, I do not want y'all to think that I am trying to take y'all's money. That is not the case by any means. I am just saying, if you have learned anything, if you feel like you want to tip me, you're feeling in a good mood today, or if you feel like I may have saved you some money or given you information that is going to make you a lot more money one day, guys, feel free to leave me a tip. I'm not asking, but if you're feeling willing, by all means, the addresses to my wallets are down below in the description as well. So yeah, guys, that's all I've got for you today. So until next time, Cubby Hole Productions and the Crypto Monkey, we are over and out.